Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today we will learn about how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint. But before that, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So for inserting any video in your PowerPoint, first of all we need to open a new PowerPoint or existing one if you want to insert any video there also. So let's say this is my new presentation and this is the slide where I want to insert any video from internet. So what will I do? I will go to this insert tab here and at the far left option you will see a video option. So click on this and you will find the third option as online film. So you can choose this online film from the internet. So you just need to enter the URL. Now let's say I want to enter the URL of a video from my own YouTube channel. Let's say I want to insert the URL of this video. I want to insert this. So here if I want, let's say I want that this video should start at particularly this point. Okay. Let's say I want my video to start at this point. So what will I do? I will just go to this share option here and click on this start at 0:37. That is the time where it is starting, the time where I chose that this video should start. So I will click here and copy this link from here and I will go back to my MS PowerPoint and paste this URL here. Now see, it is showing me t equal to 37 at the end of this URL, which is saying that the time is 37 seconds and after 37 seconds the video will start, which is exactly where we chose to. Now I will insert it here. Click here and see. Now the video has been inserted and I can simply place it anywhere in this frame. Let's say I'm putting it here. Now I have different options for this. Number one option is here I can color correct it. Whatever color I want color correction, then I can do this color change. If I don't want this color, I can change. Next we have poster frame. So this poster frame represents this poster of any video which we have inserted. So we can change this poster from here if I want to go and image from my mobile or laptop. Here I can choose anything. Next we have video border. So if I want, I can change the border as well. So let's see, I'm keeping this border as 6 points. And the color should be this one, and the video effect also I can insert. For example, I am inserting here this video effect. Okay, there is a glowing border now which has been added to this video. Next we have playback option. So when we will go, we have important two things here. First of all, it should start in click sequence, means if there are any other animations in the slide and in the sequence it will play. For example, it is the second sequence or third sequence and accordingly it will play, and then automatically if we keep it automatically, it will play on automatically when the transition is happening or the slide change happens. And when clicked on means when we will click on this, it will be played. Now I will show you. See, I'm playing this. So if you can notice here that we chose time as 37 seconds, that at 37 seconds our video should start, and exactly at 37 seconds it is starting. Next we have this option play in full screen. When it comes to playing this video, it will automatically take the full screen mode. So I have chosen this as well, and now I will show you that. Go to slideshow and I'm playing this slide. See. So if you can see here also it started at 37 seconds. So in this way you can set the time limit, and if you want to start it at 00 seconds you can do that as well without ticking that box which we did in copying the link. So in this way we can insert any video from internet into our presentations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new topic soon. Till then, happy learning. Bye-bye.